Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm here to talk about a certain stock in particular you may be able to see up here. And this stock I think has an insane amount of potential and is an easy buy at the price it's at right now. So without further ado, be sure to like the video if you enjoy this content, and also subscribe to the channel. Support me, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys want to keep seeing the videos, I'm adding valuable information to your investing journey. I'd really appreciate it. We're nearing 30 subscribers, so that's awesome. Little milestone right there. But yeah, guys, let's get right into it. The stock we're talking about today is Meta Platforms, also known as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. They have a lot of companies behind this, and we can see they've been pretty beaten down. 5% in the last week, almost 13% in the past month, and the past 3 months they've been pretty much flat. So we can see year to date they are up almost 6%. Past year they're up 24%. Past 5 years they're up 221%. And past, or all time, they're up a lot, 1,541%. So we can see that this is a great company. Mark Zuckerberg really knows what he's doing. He has a lot of these companies within one, and they're at a $1.58 trillion market cap. I see this going a lot higher very soon. The high today and the low today are $30 differences. It's been a very volatile day, but we can see that it actually closed the day at, where did it close the day? It closed the day at $625.34. So, and the 52-week high is $740. So they're down $100 from the 2-week high. They pay a little bit of a dividend. But something I wanted to focus on is their price to earnings ratio, which is a little low right now. Their PE ratio historically, at least the past 10 years, has been 33, give or take maybe 34. And yeah, it's 24% the historical average. So I kind of wanted to, take their PE into account, and let's see how much each share of this is really worth. So we're going to divide 623.77, or we're going to divide 623.77 divided by their current PE ratio, which is 26.32. And now we get each share of Meta is around, or for every dollar that Meta is making in profit, that's their price to earnings ratio. That is how much each, that's one share. So let's see, their historical is 33.63. So we'll times this by 33.63, and we can see Meta is an $800 company if they're trading at their historical PE. That's just at their historical PE, not above it. So let's say they're trading above it. We take that number before. It was around 24, so we have that 24, and let's say Meta's trading at a 40 PE, which I don't think is very crazy. That's a $960 company. This is a company that I think is going to be a four-digit business very soon here, maybe next year, year after that, but maybe even this year, honestly, I think, with what they're doing. And that's why I'm going to put a lot of money into this company. It's a safer bet. I think AMD is a very big value play if you're into that. And this one's more of just a safer, like, okay, Meta, if it goes down, I can buy more. If it goes up, I can dollar cost average. There's a lot of things you can do with this company. I believe in it very long term. And I wanted to check out a little bit more statistics about this company. We can see that their revenue is up quarter over quarter. Every quarter, this company is gaining revenue, especially the past few. This is an indicator that, I mean, they're doing good recently. We can see their trailing 12-month is also going up. Their quarterly, their year-over-year growth is in the 20 percentage points. I mean, you can see that a little bit of a rough patch right here during COVID. But, I mean, after that, we're at 20% growth rates. I also wanted to check out their gross profit margin. We can see that their gross profit is also in the 20%. So this is profit that the company is bringing in. And, yeah, I mean, what I want to check out is the margins, actually, but I want to see their profit margins. So let's check this out. Their gross margin, oh my gosh, their gross margin is 82%, and their true to money operating margin is 42%. Their net margin is almost 40%, and that means that if their margin is around 40%, they're in a competitive market where they have competitive price advantage. They can price their products, their advertising businesses. That's where a lot of their revenue comes from. Let's see the Meta revenue streams. So we can see that their revenue streams, if we just go here on Investopedia, they have Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, Reality Labs, Meta Financials. So we can see right here that their family of apps is 99% of their revenue. The Reality Labs, it's a very, very small percentage. It's a newer thing. But if we check out right here, we can see that the bottom line, the parents of the flagship brand of former namesake Facebook reported revenue of $134 billion with approximately 98% derived from advertising. And advertising is not stopping anytime soon. This is not a business. The advertising space is not something that's going to fall off a cliff. Everyone, I mean, for businesses to run, they need to buy advertising, they need to buy space. This is something that has been happening decades over decades. People have been buying advertising on billboards, in stores, during halftime of the Super Bowl. I mean, there's a bunch of advertising opportunities out there, but Meta does it honestly the best. Their advertising is just way better than all the other companies, and they've definitely shown that with their revenues. So that's why this company, what they're doing, and also the spaces they're expanding into with technology, the possibilities are really endless for this company. And I think that this is just a for sure thing. Their advertising revenue isn't going to just fall. I mean, no one's going to just switch to somewhere else. Meta has this competitive moat around them. They're this huge company that owns a huge amount of, they own WhatsApp, which is, I think, the top. I'm pretty sure WhatsApp, I'm not sure how to word this, but I'm pretty sure WhatsApp is the most used chat app I'm pretty sure WhatsApp is the most used chat app in some countries overseas, because it's not used very much in America. I know people use it, but it's used a lot for communicating with people overseas, and that's where a lot of the money comes in from there. But Facebook, I don't have Facebook, but my parents do. I know a lot of people with Facebook. And Instagram, I don't know anyone that doesn't have Instagram. We're adding to Meta's revenue every day, looking at these ads, and people are going to keep buying these ads. And as more people come into the space, especially I like the advertisement industry, because with new young entrepreneurs coming into the space, there's a lot of them. They're going to want to buy those ad spaces. And it's just getting more and more people want to break the 9-to-5 cycle. So they'll try to buy those ads on Meta, on Facebook, on WhatsApp. They'll do whatever it takes to try to push their company, their brand, clothing brand. Maybe they're selling a service, but people will buy ad space on Meta till the end of time. And let's see what bulls say. The firm has an opportunity to drive more ad inventory growth, leveraging new products such as Threads, while also improving its monetization of ads on more nascent features. Yeah, Meta's advertising is the fair value for this company by Morningstar, which is a very reliable investing newsletter, is $770, and their economic mode is wide. So I believe in this company a lot. You can see they're actually pretty cheap in relation to their fair value and what they should be trading at. So, and they also can trade more than this. They do relatively often. I don't think, they haven't even reached their fair value as a 52-week high. So that'll be in the near future. And I think Meta, with a higher price to earnings ratio, will trade above their fair value. And that's all I have for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Be sure to invest in Meta. Also, like the video, subscribe if you guys enjoy this content. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.